Hello, my name is Ron. Welcome to another day in my life. This is the first time I've ridden a bike in the dark in quite a long time, I guess. I don't remember the darkest I've ever been. I've never ridden it at night, so to speak, at dusk and early dawn. But anyway, I'm leaving for work a little early today because another Tiger owner, Mark, also a subscriber to my channel, is going on a trip, and he's going to be passing through my area, so I'm going to meet up with him here in about 30 or 40 minutes, depending on how long it takes me to get there and him to get there. So this ought to be cool. This ought to be a fun meeting, and I'm looking forward to it. I just noticed that they I guess when they updated the computer on the bike, when I had the tire pressure monitors installed, that my temperature is now in Celsius, so it's 18.5 degrees Celsius right now, and I can't remember the little quick in your head formula to convert that. So it's about 18.5 degrees this morning, and it's not bad. It's not bad at all. I got my Klim mesh jacket on, and I also have a warmer liner on under it. So I'll wear this. I think I mentioned it before. So when I ride home in the evenings, it's a lot warmer, so I can just not put the base layer on and be good with the mesh jacket. So hopefully the roads are wet today. I guess it must have rained a little bit last night, but it's supposed to be overcast all day. I'm not sure if it's going to rain, but if it does, it does. I got rain gear, and I wore my boots and got my shoes in my backpack, so it should not be a problem. Anyway, I'll be back with you when I meet up with Mark here in a bit, and if he wants to be on camera, maybe he'll be on the vlog. If not, I'll just not put him in the vlog, right? That's how it works. Anyway, I'll be back in a minute. All right, well, I am almost to the sheets, and roughly when we both figured how long it would take us to get here, so we'll find out if he beat me or if I beat him. It doesn't matter. I mean, we're both right about where we said we were going to be, so should not be a problem. Alright, well, I will sit right here and wait on Mark.
Eventually.
Well, I see Mark at the light. I believe that's Mark. That's the only motorcycles I've seen in the last 45 minutes, so he should be on his way here in a minute. And if he wants to be on camera, he'll be on camera. If not, well, it'll just be me talking about it. So. Alright, here he comes. Let's see if I can get him on camera. Here it comes. I don't know if he wants to be on film or not, but we're going to see. We're going to find out. There he is.
A few moments later.
So here's Mark. We finally met up. He's a friend of Colin's, Bronco rides too. I did not realize that. So he's making his way around the YouTube circuit. And there's his Bonneville T100. It's a 2002 anniversary edition.
Right. 100th anniversary.
100th anniversary. It's a pretty cool bike. He's on a trip. Gonna put some miles on it, stay at some hotels, and have a good time for a few days. Well, that was Mark. Nice meeting him. He's on his way down. He might even meet up with NC Stoney. Now, Stoney, if you watch this, Mark told me he's going to try to meet up with you, and I told him to tell you to get a haircut. You better take that serious. Anyway, I am out of here, and I will talk to you guys on the next video. What's up, guys? I just want to take this couple of seconds here to thank you for watching the video all the way to the end. I really do appreciate it. It means a lot to me. Please leave a comment, and I will always comment and get back to you guys. You know I always do. And if you're in the local area or you're passing through and you got time and I have time, maybe we can meet up for a cup of coffee, smoke a cigar, go for a motorcycle road, go for a motorcycle ride, or even wet a hook out in the river or pond somewhere. I appreciate it. Y'all be safe, and I'll talk to you again on the next video.